here. Yep. And then this is my workspace. Pretty much right here. My head is right here. Here, things in front of me. And what I did is I got my jeans caught on something. Oh, the end of the cardboard there. But there was a big piece of wood that was here. And there were bungs. Like that thing, that's a screw right there. And there's a piece of wood on there. This is kind of stripped, so I can't get to it. I can't even see it. Can't get that one. But there were bungs on this piece of wood. It went all the way across. Behind here, behind it in the galley. It's crazy. This is my view. Looking from here. Woohoo! Here I am. And there. There's Jeremy. Over there.